In this video, I'd like to show you a nice simple routine that can really help relax and open up the lungs, the upper body, the neck, and the head. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, and Qigong instructor. In this video, I'm going to show you a nice simple exercise you can do anywhere you have space enough to stretch your arms around you, just like here, and it's really easy to do. So I'll show you the exercise first, and then we'll do a nice simple routine. If you'd like to jump right to the routine, you can go to this spot over here. So the exercise we're going to focus on is called rowing the boat. It's a classic exercise. It shows up in the Shi Ba She, and it's a very nice, gentle exercise, wonderful for the shoulders and the upper body. Now the idea is you're sitting in a boat, a nice, beautiful boat on a beautiful, calm lake, but you forgot your oars. You don't have your oars. So you dip your hands into the water, push the water back, and reach your arms out, forward and around, and back into the water. So you're reaching out, pushing the water. This is called rowing the boat. And there's some variations to this, but that's the general idea. The arms go into the water, hands go into the water, push out and around. So this is a wonderful exercise for the shoulders, for the chest. If you have any chest tightness, any poor posture, this is absolutely wonderful. Now, a couple of details with this exercise here is you have to be conscious of your shoulders. If you have any pre-existing issues with your shoulders, just take it very slowly. If you have any injuries, if you have any arthritis, just check with your doctor, your physical therapist, make sure it's okay. But if you're doing it correctly, it should be just fine. When we reach forward, this part is fine. Pushing the water, no problem. So when we get to this part here, if we push our hands straight back like that, that's when we get a little bit of strain on the shoulders. So try to avoid doing this here. What we want to do is open the chest. Imagine as if our chest is connected in the sternum. Well, I mean, the chest is connected at the sternum, but imagine this is opening up. So when we're pushing, arms come into the ground, into the water, come back, and now we open up the chest like this. Now we can easily, comfortably reach out and around. So at no point are we reaching back like this. We're only coming like this, opening the chest, reaching out and around. Okay, so I'll just show you that one more time. Arms go into the water. Open the chest, nice and wide. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. See how naturally the hands open up. Reach forward, out and around. This is rowing the boat. Now when you do it like this, you all of a sudden feel like you have some momentum, some strength, some fullness in the movement. When you do it incorrectly like this, you feel like, ooh, I got to be careful of my shoulders and my neck. So take your time with this exercise. Be in your body, be aware, listen. If you have any sharp shooting pains, just slow down and find what works for you. If we're all ready to begin, let's get on to the routine. So begin in a comfortable standing position. Relax knees, find a comfortable position. Just take 3 deep natural breaths. Good, and now let's begin with the rise and fall. So breathe in as the hands come up to the level of the shoulders. Breathe out as the hands slowly sink down. This is called the rise and fall. Breathing in, hands coming up, straightening up the body. Breathing out, sinking the body down as the hands sink down. Breathing in and out. It's a wonderful exercise just to get in contact with our breathing, kind of get into our body, feel present, do some nice big deep belly breathing. Good, on your own, breathing in. Wonderful. 3 more. Breathing in, feeling your body rising as if you're sitting on a nice cresting wave. Breathing out as you feel as if your body's sinking down on the wave. Breathing in, 2 more. And out, relax the shoulders, relax the arms, relax the head. And last one, breathing in and out. Good. Next exercise, rowing the boat. You're in a nice, beautiful lake, dipping your hands into the water, pulling the water back, opening the chest, reaching out, up and around, as comfortable as possible. Breathing in as the hands come up and around. And breathe out as you push the water back. Good, on your own. Keep your hands open. Keep very mindful of your fingertips and your hands and your palms. Try to maintain your awareness going all the way through the shoulders, through the elbows, through the forearms, into the hands, out the fingertips. As you breathe in, try to imagine you feel like a nice, big, friendly giant. And just check in with your shoulders. Do they feel okay? Do they feel strong and stable? Make sure you open the chest here, squeeze the shoulder blades together, reach out and around and forward. Wonderful. 3 more. Nice big in-breath. Last one. Good, and come back to that standing ready position. Shake out those arms. Check in the body. You feeling good? Feeling nice and tingly and warm? Last exercise, opening exercise. Breathing in as the hands come up and around. Breathing out as the hands come down the center. Pushing the hands down the center, feeling as if you're pushing a balloon down. Breathing in. And breathing out. Nice big cleansing breath. Releasing anything that's unnecessary, any tension, any worries, any fears. Breathing in, taking in good energy, vitality, positivity, optimism, sunshine. Breathing in. Good. 3 more. Breathing in and out. Keeping those hands full. Fingers spread. Shoulders relaxed. Arms relaxed. Neck relaxed. And out. And last one. Breathing in and out. Back to the ready position. And you're all done. If you've enjoyed this style of Qigong, please come join us in the Communi-Qi. Here we have an online library of many different Qigong practices. Some of them as short as 5 minutes, some of them 45 minutes or even an hour. We have a lot of different variety and we're constantly adding new content. Some practices are very simple and just good for relaxation and stress relief. Some of them are more focused on specific conditions like weak lungs, poor digestion, anxiety, sleep issues, stress. We have many different practices to choose from, and I'm sure you'll find something that appeals to you. We also have a warm, welcoming forum where you can ask all your questions and share your experiences with like-minded people. And monthly, we do a live Qi Chat where we can discuss different ideas and we can have an opportunity to connect virtually. So if this sounds appealing, please come join us for a 7-day free trial and see if it resonates with you and if you enjoy it. There's no obligation and you can cancel at any time. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our newsletter. That way, you never miss a video. So let me know in the comment section below. Did you feel some nice warmth in this exercise? Did you feel some tingling in your palms and your hands? Let me know. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.